Morning, babies. Hello, babies. Alas 5 pa ng umaga, dito na kami sa labas. Kasi aalis ako ng maaga today. Oh, what's wrong, Bruce? Mommy. Go pipi, mommy. Pepper, go. Oh, man. Madilim pa, ano? What? Go. Go, Bruce. Clarky, where are you? Where are you? Clark, what are you doing down there? Why are you hiding? Huh? Come here. Okay, you wanna go back inside? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go back. Alright, let's go. Pandilim pa talaga mga dear. Ayan. Diba? So, ganyan lang routine namin every morning ng aming aso. Before we, going to our sipag-sipag. Today kasi, mamaya pa uwi ni Mr. Elmo sa sipag-sipag. Galing sa kanyang sipag-sipag. Open it, Clark. Good boy. Talaga naman si good boy. Super dark pa talaga as in. Wala tayong makikita. Super dark. But anyway. Okay, let's go down. Let's go. Yan ang super dark. Yan. Yung kanilang. Naku, mommy. You drink. Ininom ng mami nila yung kanyang tubig. What happened, Pepper? You got your own water. Why are you drinking their water? And you're so thirsty. Oh boy. So you want it? Good job. Okay, go to the bed. Go bed. Go bed. Ayan. Push, Pepper. Push. Push. So you can go inside. Tag-iitaw na naman. Push, Pepper. Go inside. Talaga naman itong tutang to. Okay, go. Go. Go inside. So ito yung mga dawalawang. Okay. So yun. Mayroon bacon sila. Mabait naman sila no? Okay, babies. I'll get you more water. Okay. Ito si Diana. And then, this is my Snuggie. Kasi dito sila natutulog sa, sa labas. Ay. Okay, hold on. Hold on, babies. Hold on, here's the water. Water. Yan. Okay, that's enough na, okay? Si Clark, uhaw na uhaw. Dalawa na rin sila. Good job, boys. Alright. Doon tayo kay Mami. Bigyan natin si Mami ng tubig. So, dito si Mami. Kasama ko sa kwarto. Natutulog. Tapos si Snuggy at saka si Pepper, go drink your water. Go. Si Diana doon naman sa mga bata. So, si Clark at saka si Bruce doon sa may sarili silang kasi kahit saan-saan kasi ang wild kasi, kaya may sarili talaga sila ring kwarto. Anyway, yan ang aming routine. Hello, Pepper! Oh, so sweet. So, I'm going to my routine today, which is may sipag-sipag. So, see you later, Pepper. Bye! Napagod ang aming tuta o aso. Hello, Bruce! Napagod ang mga babies. Pagod na naman sila kakatakbo. Bakit may tali si Bruce? Si Clark pala may tali. Bakit nilakad mo sila?